Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to Khalifa. Today, we embark on a journey delving into the historical backdrop of Arabia, specifically before the birth of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. It's time to unravel the social, economic, and political conditions of that era. Before delving into the advent of Islam, it's crucial to paint a picture of the socio-political, economic, and religious landscape of Arabia preceding the proclamation of Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him mission. Historically, this overview serves as the second convention among historians, the first being the geographical description of the region. Political conditions? Arabia before Islam was characterized by a remarkable absence of political organization. With Yemen as the exception, no part of the peninsula had any form of government. Arab society revolved around tribal chiefs, whose authority, though often moral, lacked centralized political structure. This absence of governance led to a state of lawlessness where justice was often administered through personal vendettas, fostering acts of cruelty and perpetual warfare. Economic conditions? Economically, Arabia was divided between sedentary towns and nomadic tribes. The Jews dominated agriculture and industry, while slavery thrived as an economic institution. Capitalists and moneylenders held power, exploiting exorbitant interest rates to enrich themselves at the expense of borrowers. Urban centers like Mecca and Yathrib, later known as Medina, were hubs of commerce, with trade caravans playing a pivotal role in the economy. Social conditions? Arab society was patriarchal, with women having minimal status beyond being objects of desire. Female infanticide was tragically common, reflecting deeply ingrained societal norms. Drunkenness, gambling, and loose sexual morality were prevalent vices. Education was limited, with few Arabs literate. Religious landscape? Religiously, pre-Islamic Arabia encompassed a variety of beliefs, including idol worship, atheism, dualism, and monotheism. The Kaaba, originally dedicated to monotheistic worship, had become a center for polytheistic practices. Jews and Christians also had a presence, influencing local customs and beliefs. Conclusion? Before the dawn of Islam, Arabia was a land of disparate tribes, lacking political cohesion and societal unity. Morally bankrupt and spiritually adrift, its people lived in a state of perpetual conflict and moral decay. The advent of Islam, heralded by Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him, brought about a transformative shift, uniting the Arabs under a common faith and providing them with a new sense of purpose and direction. Closing thoughts? Muhammad peace be upon him mission not only changed the course of Arabian history but also left an indelible mark on the world stage, elevating Arab society from obscurity to prominence. Without Islam, Arabia might have remained mired in internecine warfare and cultural stagnation. Through the lens of history, we recognize the pivotal role played by Islam in shaping the destiny of the Arabian people and influencing global civilization. In this series, we will explore how the life of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, can enlighten every aspect of our lives. If you want to join us on this journey, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications for each new video.